Why does it feel like we're doing everything right? We work hard, juggle side gigs, even cut back on Starbucks, but somehow we're still broke. It's like running on a treadmill, giving all our energy, but never moving forward. Society told us, just go to college, land a job, and life will be set. But the reality? Student loans stack up, rent feels like highway robbery, and paychecks barely keep up with inflation. It's giving scam vibes. And then there's TikTok. Every scroll is someone flexing trips, outfits, and iced lattes, but then payday hits and it's like, wait, where'd my money go? The dream of freedom feels more like a trap of endless bills. It's not just money, it's emotions. That stress of choosing between brunch with friends or paying a credit card bill. That guilt for wanting fun when every dollar feels like survival. But here's the real tea. What if I told you the system wants you broke, like, designed it that way so you work harder, spend faster, and never stop the cycle? It's giving Hunger Games, but for money. Here's the danger: if we don't make money moves now, nothing changes. 10 years from now, you'll still be stressing over $30 overdraft fees instead of planning trips, buying homes, and living real freedom. Future you deserves better. What if I told you you don't have to give up iced lattes, brunches, or Coachella to build real wealth? Hey besties, I'm Sophia, your money BFF here on Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the financial glow up vibes. Quick note, this is for education and empowerment, not financial advice. Today, I'm gonna break down exactly how Gen Z women in the US can stack money, invest smart, and still live our best lives. Stay tuned, grab your matcha, and let's get into it. Okay besties, let's be real, wealth isn't about becoming boring or saying goodbye to iced lattes and concerts. It's about leveling up without losing your sparkle. On average, Gen Z women in the US spend about a quarter of their income on lifestyle, so don't freak out, you're not alone. The point is, budgeting doesn't mean killing your joy. Imagine this: you're investing for your future, but you're still booking flights for your next adventure. That's the balance we're chasing: growth and good vibes. Old school money advice used to say, stop buying coffee and avocado toast. But honestly, that's outdated. Modern wealth is about growing your income and investing smarter. Here's the glow up mindset: save first, then spend what's left so you're securing your future while still living your best life today. Like Warren Buffett said, don't save what's left after spending, spend what's left after saving. That's how you glow financially without losing your fun vibe. Alright besties, let's talk about the glow up your wallet deserves. Money flow doesn't have to be boring, it's literally your vibe check for financial freedom. Here's the deal: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for future you. It's like a formula that keeps you balanced without killing your fun. Say you make $3,000 a month. That breaks down to $1,500 for needs, $900 for wants, and $600 straight into your money-growing future. Think of it like a playlist: your needs are the timeless classics, your wants are the hype bangers, and your future you is the track that builds your legacy. Here's the trap: if you ignore future you money, you'll be stuck in hustle mode forever. No one wants that burnout energy. Like Dave Ramsey says, a budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Translation: you're the boss, not your bills. Okay bestie, let's be real, saving money is cute, but it only goes so far. If you really want to glow up financially, the secret sauce is learning how to earn more. Think about it: saving $5 here and there won't change your life, but adding $500 to $1.00 every month, that's major vibes. That's your rent covered, or your car payment, or even your next travel fund. Basically, it's freedom money. But here's the trap: if you only depend on your 9 to 5, you'll always feel stuck, like one paycheck away from panic. That's why the best investment you'll ever make isn't in stocks or crypto, it's in yourself. Learn skills, grow your talents, and cash in on them. Like Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in yourself, and trust me bestie, that's the glow up move you'll never regret. Okay besties, let's be real, debt feels like invisible chains holding us back. For Gen Z women, the average student loan is already $20,000 plus, and that's before credit cards kick in. High interest debt is like a toxic exit, drains your energy and steals your future glow. The longer you hold on, the heavier it feels. Carrying debt is like trying to run a race with heavy weights strapped to your ankles. No matter how fast you go, you'll always feel slowed down. And don't fall for the minimum payment trick, babe. It feels easy now, but in the long run you're paying almost double just in interest. Think of it this way: paying off debt is giving your future self freedom to glow and grow. Every payment is one less chain holding you back. Like Pablo Yasira said, debt is a slavery of the free. Girl, it's time to detox and take your power back. Okay bestie, let's be real, investing isn't just for Wall Street brothers in suits, it's for us too. And it's way simpler than all the scary finance talk makes it seem. Here's the deal: If you invest just $100 a month in something chill like index funds, you could be sitting on over to $100,000 in 30 years. That's serious glow up money. Think of it like planting avocado trees. You don't eat guac the same day you plant it, but later. Those trees, they'll feed your future brunches forever. The biggest mistake, waiting until you're rich to start, sis. The earlier you start, the more your money gets to glow up. Investing is really just letting your money work for you while you live your best life. You don't have to trade vibes for wealth. Remember, bestie, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best is right now. Future you will literally thank you with avocado toast in hand. Okay, besties, real talk, building wealth doesn't mean your life has to be boring. Fun isn't optional, it's actually part of the plan. Here's the move. Give yourself a guilt-free budget just for fun, like $100 to $200 a month. That's your free pass to enjoy without the stress. Imagine this, you can go on weekend trips, hit up festivals, or just have dinner with friends and still stay on track financially. But here's the trap, going full no spend only makes you feel miserable. That usually leads to giving up completely. The secret is balance, choosing between what you want right now and what you want most in the future. That's how you win long term. Like Lincoln said, discipline isn't about saying no to everything, it's about choosing smartly. That way, you're living now and securing your future. Okay, besties, let's talk about the long-term glow-up plan. Building wealth isn't one big jump, it's like layering your fave outfits. First the basics, then the fun accessories, then the bold statement pieces. Step 1 is your cash cushion, your little safety net. It's like having a soft pillow when life tries to throw you on the floor. Step 2, kick debt to the curb. Carrying debt is like hiking with a heavy backpack full of rocks, it slows you down big time. Step 3, investments, baby. Think of them as planting magic seeds that grow into money trees for future you. Step 4, big goals. Travel the world, start a passion project, or just have the freedom to quit that toxic job. That's the real glow up. Remember, bestie, wealth is a long game. If you only think short term, you stay stuck in survival mode. But if you play it smart and layer it right, future you is gonna be living her absolute dream life. Wealth doesn't mean losing fun. You can brunch, travel, and still invest. The key is balance, intention, and starting now. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your girls. Drop in the comments what's your biggest money struggle or glow up goal right now. Let's chat. This is Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Remember, bestie, money should be a tool for freedom, not stress. You got this. See you in the next one.